Everything seems to go so small, but I still want to swim so high. But my parents say I'm so young. I wanted to be a YouTuber, but my father said I can be a lawyer. That's one. And two, I can be a doctor. But I'm so sad because they don't wanna give me a healthy food, but they give me only sweet and they don't want me to dance because they knew that I wanna be a YouTuber.